Hello, I am Boniface. I am an energy entrepreneur and I teach solar energy business online courses. So I've been doing a lot of free webinars since February till April, and I was trying to sell my course on basic course on solar energy at the end of the webinars. So the course was priced just 1,999. But out of the eight webinars, I was able to make sell in only one of those webinars for just an basic solar energy course for 1,999. I attended the viral workshop mastery by Sorav and Rishi, and after that I implemented that and I conducted workshops, 2-day workshops, and right from the first workshop I was able to make sales. So in the first workshop I didn't do any ads. I just sent email to my email list, and five people actually registered for that workshop and three participated. After the three, two purchased my basic and advanced course for rupees 6,099 at the end of the workshop. And in the month of May I had around 40 students, and I made around 60,000 rupees by selling my advanced course towards the end of the viral workshop mastery. It is a drastic change from conducting free webinars without sales, and now conducting workshops for a fee and then getting paid at the end of the workshop for my higher course. I thank Rishi and Saurav for their wonderful insights. Thank you very much.